Hey guys, Ijeoma Kola here. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I want to take you behind the scenes of a photo shoot. I thought it'd be cool to kind of show you like all of the different things that go into creating content, whether it's for Instagram or for my blog. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. My hair looks a mess because the campaign is actually for a shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to actually be washing my hair, but that's not what the video is about, so don't get too excited. I'm just gonna be taking you through kind of like the whole process, like how I kind of come up with ideas and create a set and execute the shoot, usually by myself. Every once in a while I have Jonathan help me, but most of the time I do it all by myself. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. If you aren't yet subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell so that you don't miss another video. So here are the products I'm going to be shooting. They are the Hair Food, Coconut Oil, and Dragon Fruit Shampoo and Conditioner. They are new. They're at Costco if you're interested in them. So I'm in my bathroom because I decided to, rather than take just like a picture of my hair, I wanted to do a bathtub photo. I've already filled my bathtub part of the way with hot water. Our hot water doesn't work that great over here. So I like literally boiled water 4 times in both of my really big pots that I used to make stew, and have been pouring water here. A little struggle, but yes, I'm getting the water ready. And what else do I have? I already have my camera set up at the edge of my bathtub. The light is on the side, so I'm gonna be shooting this way. These are flowers that are literally dying, but you're not gonna be able to tell in the picture. Let me show you what the camera sees. So I've already set it up how I want it. I'm really just gonna be sitting at the edge there. All right, so because my bathtub is not that deep, I actually can't go in fully naked. So I'm going to have to wear a bathing suit. And so rather than like having the caption be about like self-care or taking a bath, I'm now going to switch the framing to be more about like how I can't go to the beach or the pool because we're on lockdown. And so like this is the closest that I can get. So I usually come up with the ideas for my captions before I even shoot content. It's usually easier for me to like figure out what I want to say first and then make the picture fit the caption. While the tub is filling up, let's talk inspiration. So most of the time I usually get inspiration on Instagram or on Pinterest sometimes. So what I did for this campaign is that I went through my saved, and I really highly recommend having saved folders on Instagram. So I went through my saves and looked at the beauty saved and saw that I had saved a couple of pictures of people in bathtubs, either promoting a shampoo or a body wash or something. So I kind of just use those as the frame for my picture. I'm not going to copy, but I'm just using it to kind of like get ideas for what to do. So these are the 2 pictures that I'm kind of want to channel. So for the one from Jessica Wang, I like that she's in a bathing suit. She's also promoting a, a shampoo. She also had flowers in her picture. On the other hand, Paola's picture is very like serene and calm. And so I kind of want to evoke like both emotions. So I went and pulled out all of my bathing suits to see which one I would wear. I am not yet comfortable wearing 2 pieces. So I'm gonna just remove those ones from the running. So I'm left with, let's see. These 2 are by Somersault, and this is by Diara Blues. This one's black owned. Yo, these nails, my nails have been breaking so badly. Oh gosh. Terrible. Anyway, so I always want to make sure that what I'm wearing complements the product that I'm shooting. So the product is like brown and white and like purple and green, and this is just blue. So this is kind of coming out of nowhere. So I mean, it's not terrible actually, but it is a bit distracting, and I definitely want the viewer's eye to go to the product and not to what I'm wearing. And so I feel like if I wear this, I'll get a lot of questions about like this swimsuit. So that's that. So yeah, so now between these 2, I'm gonna try them on and see which one is better. So I haven't worn a bathing suit since having a baby. I also have not gotten a wax since quarantine, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it. Pretty straight, no waist yet, but I'm surprised I fit into this. I feel like this is such a mom like swimsuit. It's like all black. It has ruching. There's like one shoulder. Anyway, I'm officially a mom. This is option number 2. It's definitely more low cut, but I think I like the white. So I think I might go with this one, but we'll see. I'll get in the tub, and if it doesn't work, then I'll go back to this black one. But I'm liking this little cleavage going on here. For other props, I dug out these sunglasses that I have not worn in a little bit, but they have a little purple tint, so I'm hoping that they can kind of go together. And I also have a glass of wine that I will take a very brief sip from. Oh, so good. Jam Jar Sweet Shiraz is like top 3 wines for me. So good. Yeah, but anyway, props like really make or break a photo, and can be the difference between just an okay picture and like a really, really great picture. So like if I just sat in the bathtub with the product, it would be like, okay. But you know, having the flowers, having the sunglasses, having something to do with my hands, like really helps bring the photo to life and also makes it more realistic. So for me, like adding props to my photo shoots has like made a really, really big difference in my content quality. And also I think those are the things that will make someone save a photo. And we all know that saves are like the hyper like on Instagram. The more people who save your content, the more likely it's gonna end up on the explore feed, which brings more people to your content, which is what you want. But also, you know, that also makes the brand happy. All right, this is the last batch. So first I have to turn on my camera, the whatchamacallit. So I can use my phone as a remote. Okay. Connect. Cool. All right, now my phone sees what my camera sees. So let me turn that. Bam. All right, I like that, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. Ooh, nice and warm. Whoa, oh, I wish I was taking a real bath. Oh, that's good. Oh, that feels so nice. Okay, now I'm going to, actually gonna wash the hair now. Ew, yo, the water just got so dirty. I haven't washed my hair in weeks. Oh, that's disgusting. Gross. Let's not have a lip slip. I am thinking on the fly here. Because this shampoo is not sudsing whatsoever. But I can't use a different shampoo because that would be disingenuous. Oh, feels really good. Okay. Let's try to take some photos now. I use these flowers for 2 other photo shoots, so they were well worth the money that I paid for them because they were not cheap. They were like $70, but they definitely were worthwhile because I got so much use out of them. All right, so I washed my hair, finished draining the bathtub and cleaning up all those flowers. Off camera, I also took some product shots, so I just imported all of that. What I normally like to do is select which pictures I like and I don't like. What I normally like to do is just start, actually no, let me edit this one first because it's more interesting and more important. So I have tons of presets. I actually just bought a whole preset pack yesterday But I should just like start by just like seeing in general what vibe various presets would give me. I never use these two. Yes, baby. So those are those two. Oh, this is nice. This actually, these two are the presets I normally use. That's actually really nice. Wow. Okay, so we have 50 Shades, or we have Sleep in the Zoo 2, or we have Sleep in the Zoo 5. Wow. So, all right, I'm gonna use what I normally use because I like this, like softens my skin. I don't know what the other one's doing. First things first, I always correct the color. So, already good. Second thing that I do after doing the white balance is I like to fix the geometry. So I usually just use auto, and already that looks nice. Last thing, I'm going to crop. I don't really want the sink showing, so I'm going to adjust the crop properly. That's kind of close. That's kind of close. So the sink is not terrible. I'm going to have the sink in it. This is like a pretty good edit. Like I don't have to do too much. Let's see what happens if I bring the shadows up a bit. This is bothering me, so I'm going to edit it out. Perfect. I think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna clean up my face a teeny tiny bit. I try not to edit my face too much, but if anything is super distracting, I just edit it out. All right, so that looks a lot better. Cool. Cool. I think everything is okay. So I'm gonna copy the settings. Ooh, okay, so when you edit here, you can see that the lighting is very different. So I'm just gonna quickly do the white balance. Going to set it up right. It is mad bright. So I'm going to turn down the exposure a bit and also turn down the highlights. And turn down the shadows a bit. Make this 4x5. Actually, it's more likely that I'll use this on stories. So, okay, now you can see all this dirt down here. Here's how I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna do a radial gradient. Oopsies. And I am going to, what am I gonna do? Reduce the clarity. Oh no, I need to invert. Okay, there we go. I need to reduce the clarity of, yep, down here. Great. So I need to reduce the clarity and the texture, bump up the exposure. Wow. I think I can edit out everything else. Also reduce the sharpness. Yeah. Well, that works. Ooh, gross. Okay. The rest I can go in with the whatchamacallit, the Band-Aid. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think between these two, I don't know which one I like better. I think I like this one better. So I'm gonna select this one. Here are our chosen 2 photos. This is how I edit my photos. Gonna bring it to my phone for final inspection. All right, let's try again. I'm gonna make it a bit brighter. And now my melanin. A bit darker. A bit less saturated. Okay, this looks good. That looks good. I'm gonna save this to my phone. Last step is to see how it fits in my general feed. I don't know when I'm gonna post, but make sure that it generally goes, and it does. Like it flows. I can increase the whiteness, and I'm gonna increase the brightness.